Anywho, I'm Lindsay, how do you do? And this is my dear friend Farhad. And I believe we've met most of you before, but there are a couple of new faces, so welcome, welcome. Maybe your mom or your friend dragged you here today. I love it. Rest assured that there's nothing you need to know. If you showed up breathing, you qualify. So give your head a little rock left to right and invite maybe a little more length and softening through your neck. And anything else that needs to be wiggled or jiggled or rearranged or adjusted, feel free to do that now. So ultimately, we want to come into the most comfortable expression of our Shavasana, corpse pose. And we'll spend these next couple of minutes simply arriving, settling, arriving into the space, into our bodies, and ultimately into this moment. Maybe there was some rushing involved to get here. So let yourself come into stillness, come to rest. The rushing is over. You might remind yourself that there is nothing else you need to be doing right now. And there is nowhere else you need to be. You have chosen to spend this Friday night supporting your nervous system, which, in my humble opinion, might be the most important thing you could be doing, because of course our nervous system affects all systems. And in our journey to greater health, in our journey to be who we really are, we want to support our nervous system, which supports our circulatory system, which supports our respiratory system, which supports our endocrine system, and on and on and on it goes. Shall we settle in with a group sigh? Through your nose, inhale, and let that fall out your mouth. And truly, with every exhale, we're invited to settle down, to let go. And if you have had a long, busy week or a long, busy day, you might feel yourself drifting off to sleep. Brilliant. What an excellent use of your time. So you don't have to stop yourself. You don't have to pay attention. You don't have to listen to every word I'm saying. Feel free to drift off to fall asleep, because sleep truly is the best medicine. Welcome to your practice, yogis. And we'll begin with some words of wisdom. And this is a Chinook blessing.